Newport is a really diverse community, lots of different groups, lots of cultures, lots of religions, lots of ways of self-expression, and the commission was to do with innovation and the community and creativity. So I've made 3 paper cuts, and in each one I wanted to include different elements of creativity within Newport. So paper cuts are quite similar to stained glass windows in their look and appearance, so I've used those as a reference, taken some photographs of those that I can then kind of adapt in my own way to the work that I'm doing. And I wanted to speak to the community, because obviously this is a piece of art based in part on community. Got loads and loads of ideas, so when I had those ideas then, I kind of wrote them all down and thought about composition, how they could work together, how different elements could come together to be blended into these 3 different paper cuts. I love paper cutting because it's a really easy medium that kind of everyone can have, and you can produce something that is quite complex but also looks really naive, looks really simplistic, and I quite like that. History is important to Newport people, I think, so hopefully it represents a bit of the past but also looking towards the future. I'm really passionate about the arts being for everybody, so I hope when people see the work they realise that we are all one community that can come together through our love of creativity, and that being creative is for everyone and we can just really celebrate that.